We are convinced that accessibility is a very important element for our customers.
I think the customer really expects that we try and we are successful in understanding their specific problem. Because they do not want to have any solution, they want to have a very specific solution for them, a customized solution.
I think one secret of our success is that rather than acting like a huge corporate with a brand, we are acting like a brand. And if you take that serious, you got the key.
ARAG is a legal protection insurer based in Düsseldorf in Germany. They provide legal protection products for the individual or for corporate.
The ARAG Group was founded in 1935 by Heinrich Fassbender, and he had the idea back then that everybody should be able to assert their legal rights no matter of the financial situation. 20 years ago, Dr. Paul Otto Fassbender took over the lead of the group, and he really made the emphasis on the international growth of the group.
ARAG is family-owned and independent. We have no foreign or external investors. So we can distance ourselves from short-term capital market influences and act according to the long term. When it comes to our values, we have 6 of them. Pioneering spirit, openness, drive, foresight, discipline and fairness. The Smart Insurer program follows the idea of a bottom-up process, aligning all digital initiatives within the ARAG group and pursuing the same objective.
We cover the risks of legal costs. And these costs, of course, could be attorney costs, legal fees, for court fees, or the fees for experts' reports. In a lot of jurisdictions, we are also able to represent our customers ourselves, out of court and in court. And I think with technology, of course, this industry is evolving very much. So there are a lot of tech solutions for legal problems.
We do not simply stand for refunding the cost of a lawyer. It is an important part of what we do, but we aim to do much more than this. And this is particularly important here in Italy, where law regulations and the judicial system are very complex. That's why customer centricity for us means building what we call an ecosystem to help people to protect their rights and to have equal opportunities when accessing justice.
A few years ago, when we looked to redo the culture, we asked employees, what kind of company do you want to work for, and what type of things are going to differentiate us in the market. One of the things that rose to the top of that was customer experience. And I believe engaged employees provide a better customer experience. We have our own customer experience department here at ARAG. It's part of our business strategy.
All our staff believe that the customer is the reason why of our activity. So practically it means that any exchange between ARAG and the customer has to be excellent, even if possible to exceed the expectations of our customer.
We handle 70,000 legal claims per year internally. So the customer trusts on our legal expertise, and therefore we invest in the legal expertise and knowledge of our legal staff, as well as in the permanent enhancement of our legal processes.
Anything to do with the law or legal issues can be really daunting and intimidating. And we like to think of an ARAG customer as having a lawyer in their pocket. And that lawyer is accessible to them and ready to answer complex legal terms in simple everyday language. When we design products, we're always thinking about the customer. So we will always have that customer view as opposed from the big insurance company view.
technology can play a big role in making justice more accessible. For example, we use a lot of chatbots to answer easier legal questions, to give first legal orientation. But these chatbots, of course, we use them as well to create first documents, to draft first letters for our customers. We invested in our smart data lake, and we do a lot of research and development currently to understand better legal risks, and not only for better pricing, but also for bringing better solutions to lower the burden for access to justice, just to make justice more accessible. But of course, we are constantly screening new markets as well. We started business in the last couple of years in Canada, in Ireland, or in Australia. And of course, these markets do not play a big role in our P&L today, but surely they will tomorrow.
We benefit from diverse business models which we run in the different markets. We have learned a lot from the after the event insurance business in UK, and we found a way to offer customers in Germany similar coverages. This is a result of our ongoing know-how exchange.
Of course, there's never certainty of future growth, but there is certainty of future opportunity. And the dilemma, the access to justice dilemma in the world, I think it's far from being solved. And we will play a big role in solving this problem.
ARAG has the privilege of seamlessly integrating global development goals within its proven business strategy. We acknowledge our responsibility and we are doing our part.
I think the things that's important as we move forward is your last great experience is your new expectation. And that's the foundation we've built here at ARAG. It's part of our business strategy and it will carry us into the future.